Do you want to launch your own online store with zero coding skills? This e-commerce platform is built entirely with Lovable AI, a zero-code solution that makes website creation fast and effortless. With it, you can add and manage products with images, descriptions, categories, and stock. Create secure accounts for customers and admins with role-based access. Offer customers wish lists and personalized profiles. Accept secure online payments with Stripe ready for real or test transactions. Use the admin dashboard to manage products, users, discount coupons, detailed sales analytics, and much more. All of this is powered by Supabase, ensuring reliable data management, scalability, and row-level security, RLS, for maximum safety. I created a text with ChatGPT with all the features of an e-commerce platform. Create an e-commerce website with the following key features: user authentication system, profiles with roles, customer, admin, products, categories, product images. Add 10 products from each category, shopping cart and checkout, orders and order items, payments, Stripe/PayPal integration possible, shipments and tracking, reviews and ratings, messaging system, notifications, RLS policies for security, row-level security, wishlist. Connect to Supabase. Create a logo with the name Tech by Danny. Add this text in Lovable prompt. Connect to Supabase. Along the way, you have to approve the creation of databases for various functions of the e-commerce platform. For example, user authentication. I want a specific primary color and some secondary color. The website is looking pretty nice. We do not have a menu, so let's generate one with Lovable Agent. The home menu button is too close to the logo, so we need to add some space between them. The easiest way to do that is to click the Edit button at the bottom of the prompt and click exactly the element we want to change. In our case, the Home button. A prompt with instructions for the AI popped up just below the element we want to change. The button Home is too close to the logo name. Please add some room. Now it's better. It's looking pretty good. The logo is too small for me, so we need to fix that. Again, we can do that in two ways: directly from the prompt, or click the Edit button, click the element we want to change, and add the instruction in the prompt that popped up below. The arrows that change the slides are not working. Let's fix that. Now it's better. We can use the arrows to change the slides as well. In the Shop by Category section, we don't have an image for the last category. Let's fix that. Every time the Lovable agent is fixing things, the preview page refreshes, but sometimes it's better to refresh the browser to see the result. I don't know what's the idea with this funny dog, but don't worry, you can change the image anytime. Let's try again to change the image. Now it's better. Let's change the color of Add to Cart buttons to green and hover color to dark orange.
If you want to extend the preview window, you can use this button.
Or you can use these slider arrows to adjust windows.
If you want to undo changes, you have the View History function right here.
It's looking pretty nice, but I think I want a dark blue color for Add to Cart buttons and green when I hover the mouse on the button. Nice. Let's see if the button All Products works. It seems it works. Let's test the search bar in this section. It's working. It seems like the size of menu buttons is small. If you want to see the source code, you can click this button. If you want to modify the code, I think you need to have a Pro Plan subscription. Let's see the categories page. We don't have any pages created. We also need to create a database for these products. The product categories is not working. Now we have a product category page working. If we go to Supabase with our project Tech by Danny selected, in Database we have a schema visualizer with all tables created. Let's look for products or categories database tables. In authentication, we do not have any users created. Go to Sign In and Providers and uncheck the Confirm Email. Because when you test the Sign In or Sign Out functions, it's annoying to confirm emails every time. Let's see the structure of a table in Supabase. Here, you can delete or edit the table. Let's view in Table Editor. Here are all the tables created so far. If you want to edit a specific table, go to Edit Table. Here, you have a name. You can add description or add a new column. Or you can interact with the database using the SQL editor. In the menu, Categories and Products buttons are almost the same, and I want to remove the Products button and rename Categories button to Products, because I want to get to Products through the Categories page. Let's have a look at our products. About Us page is okay. Contact page is really nice. Let's test the sign up functionality. Add an email and a password. I like that I get a lot of errors because in this way, I can show how to fix them. Put the errors in Lovable prompt and the agent will fix them. This agent is a full-stack engineer. Now the account has been created and added into the Supabase database. Let's create an admin dashboard with functions for managing the store, like add, edit products, users, discount coupons, and analytics regarding the orders, shipments, reviews. Add this text into the prompt. Let's assign the role of global admin to the user Daniel.Jora we created earlier. If you go to Supabase, Authentication, now we can see the user Daniel.Jora we created. In Profile icon, we still have the customer label, but it should be global admin. Let's fix that. Let's sign in again. Let's try again to change the customer label. Now it's better, but I cannot see the admin dashboard. I like that he chose to highlight it with green. It's easier to read. Wow, the dashboard is looking pretty nice. Good job. Let's see the products function and add a new product. You can import products from Excel. You just need to ask the agent to add this function. Pretty easy. In Add Products section, I didn't have the Attach Image option, so I asked the agent to add it. I also asked the agent to add currency. Hit Save Product and check if it is stored in the database. We can refresh the browser. Let's look for our new product using the search bar. The search bar is not working. Let's fix it for all the pages. Now we get all products and it's not okay. Now it's working properly. The Wishlist is not working. Let's fix it and add it to a profile icon under My Orders page. Not found because we need to create it and synchronize it with the database already created in Supabase called Wishlist. Let's add some more products to Wishlist. As you can see, our products are stored and we can also delete them. Let's have a look at Dashboard to see what is missing. We can see an admin user. We can add functionality to the Add User button. Categories are okay. We can edit or delete them. The coupons page is missing. Let's add it. It's okay for me. When we click a product, we want to open it in a new page, and I want to give the agent an image as reference. Let's add the image. Nice. From here, you can instruct the agent to add functionality like zoom, share icons, or anything you want. The description works well for me. Let's test another product. We are focusing on the Add to Cart function. The Add Quantity is working.
The cart icon has no page to show, and we also want to sync this icon with what we are putting in the cart. Fix Add to Cart button. The Add to Cart is now working, but it's not synced with the icon. Let's authenticate again. And as you can see, our products are in the cart. Let's add some different products. Let's try the delete function. And it's working. Let's fix the Proceed to Checkout button. I told the agent that I am using Stripe, so we need to create an account on Stripe and provide the API secret key. I already have an account, I just need to sign in. A really nice thing is that Stripe provides testing cards for developers in order to simulate payments on our website. Go to Stripe Docs, go down to Cards by Brands, and we are going to choose Visa, and we have this 4242 card number. For CVC and date, you can put anything in the future. On the Stripe page, you can see at the top, on the left, that we are in a sandbox, which is a testing environment. We need to look for API keys and copy the secret keys. Add this key to the field that opened in the prompt and not in the prompt. Hit Submit.
Let's hit Proceed to Checkout. And as you can see, it's working. We just need to fill in all the card information and hit Pay. We are going to pay $2.768. Keep in mind this number, because we are going to see in Stripe if the transaction was successful. Payment successful. Let's look for our transaction in Stripe. Go to Transactions in Stripe, and we can see Payment succeeded. Let's change the logo with something vectorial. This vectorial CPU is looking really nice. We want to add a fixed menu at the bottom of the page with Deals and Contact. We can go to 21st.dev and look for a nice menu. You have tons of nice customizations on this website. I think I saved a menu in Favorites. This is the menu. We are going to use 3 or 4 buttons. Once you are okay with this design, at the top right, copy the prompt. At prompt, type hit Lovable and copy prompt into Lovable prompt. And this is our menu. Nice. I want to change the home name for the button into Deals, and I want to remove the About button. 3 buttons are enough. We need to create a page with products for deals. I want to add an orange border to this menu. Our bottom menu is visible on the landing page. I want it visible for all pages. Let's increase the size of the border a little bit. Works well for me. Let's add a nice background to featured products in order to make them more visible. If you want to add some margins or padding, you can use this tool once you clicked on the element you want to modify. Here, you can change colors. Don't forget to hit Save at the bottom. Let's change the color of this title to green. I'm going to change the background of the new label. Let's have a look at Deals page. We don't have images. And now we have these pretty nice images. Let's open Products in a new page and also add functionality to Grab a Deal, which is similar to Add to Cart button. The images from Deals page don't correspond to those in Product Detail, so we need to fix it. Let's add to cart this product to see if it's working, and it is working. Let's test another product. And that is all. There are still small things to fix, but I focused on the functionality of the platform connected to Supabase. From 105 credits, I have 5.8 left. 100 credits are not enough if you want to make more customizations. It depends on the project. In conclusion, Lovable is a full-stack engineer, and this thing makes it really helpful when you get stuck and do not have time to look for tutorials. You do not need to know any code. Just select and ask for a function or modify one. Supabase integration makes it super easy to connect and navigate in it. That's it for today's video. What do you guys think about this platform? Do you find it useful, or do you see potential improvements? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next video.